Good morning students. Today we are going to start the topic that is causes of poverty. First of all, the first reason of the poverty is low level of national product. As you can see that the net national product of India is very low as compared to its population, because the population in India is rising day by day due to low per capita income. What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it that the net national product in India is going to be low day by day as compared to population? The reason is low per capita income. Clear? So the per capita income of the country falls in India in the category of poorest countries according to UNO. Clear? So UNO declared the India in the category of poorest countries. Clear? Second reason is low rate of growth. Rate of growth of the economy has been quite low during 5-year plans in India. इंडिया में जितनी भी प्लान्स बनाई गई, हर एक प्लान में देखा गया कि जो रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ है इंडिया का, दैट आर डे बाय डे गोइंग टू बी फॉल, डे बाय डे कम होता जा रहा है. बट ड्यू टू 2% growth rate of population, per capita income grew only by 3% only. This low rate of per capita income has tended to sustain poverty. This is the main reason to sustain poverty. Poverty जो है as it is है, इसमें कोई भी जो है कमी नहीं है. The main reason is low rate of growth here. Clear? Now the next reason of the poverty in India is heavy pressure of population. Clear? As we know, day by day the population of India, especially in rural areas, are going to be rise and day by day बढ़ती जा रही है. And the rural peoples are engaged in agriculture sector mostly due to lack of alternative employment opportunities, because in rural areas there is rapid growth of population and there is lack of alternative employment opportunities. Means per capita availability of land for cultivation has declined day by day. Obviously जब population बढ़ती जाएगी तो जो per capita availability of land होगी, that will be declined, so which led to the fragmentation of land holdings. That is why the income is going to be less day by day and not sufficient for the family's basic requirements. Now the next reason of poverty is inflationary spiral. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of inflation. Inflation means when the prices are going to be high. बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो जाते हैं, पीक पे चले जाते हैं प्राइजेस किसी भी इकोनॉमी में. दैट इज़ द सिचुएशन ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन. So due to low GDP growth and high rate of population in less developed economies like India are vulnerable to inflationary spiral. जैसे इंडिया एक लेस डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, इसमें लो रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ इज देयर एंड हाई रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन दिस country. So this type of country is vulnerable to inflationary spiral. ऐसी इकोनॉमीज़ में मेनली जो प्रॉब्लम रहती है ज़्यादातर इन्फ्लेशन की प्रॉब्लम रहती है. क्लियर? दैट मीन्स द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ राइज इन prices, which led to the poverty, and poor becomes more poor in this situation. Now the next is chronic unemployment. Chronic unemployment is a main problem in the less developed countries for poverty. There is a problem of chronic unemployment and underemployment in India. Poverty is just the reflection of unemployment, because when there is an unemployment in any economy, then poverty must occurs. In urban areas, people are largely the overflow of rural poor. मोस्टली अर्बन एरियाज़ में जो लोग आते हैं वो पुअर कहाँ से आते हैं, वो रूरल एरिया से, हु माइग्रेटेड टू अर्बन एरियाज़ इन सर्च ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड लिवलीहुड, जो अर्बन एरिया में जॉब के लिए, अपने लिवलीहुड गुजारे के लिए, कमाने के लिए आते हैं. Clear? So urban people are engaged in casual employment with limited skill and no job security. क्योंकि जो पहले ही अर्बन पीपल जो काम कर रहे हैं वो भी क्या है, कैजुअल एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, ठीक है, कैजुअल एम्प्लॉयड है, एंड दे हैव लिमिटेड स्किल्स एंड दिस जॉब इज नॉट सिक्योर्ड एज वेल. Now the next reason of the poverty is capital deficiency. As we know, the capital is a main factor of economic growth. So rise production capacity of a nation. When there is a strong capital position of any country, then the production capacity of that country will rise day by day. As we know, in India, the capital stock and the capital formation both are highly deficient. Clear? So which this led to the low production capacity, means low level of एम्प्लॉयमेंट. अब जब प्रोडक्शन ही किसी इकॉनमी में नहीं हो रही, प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी लो है, तो ऑब्वियसली व्हाई ही हैज़ टू हायर मोर वर्कर्स. क्लियर? जब प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं हो रही, काम ही नहीं चल रहा, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज का प्रोडक्शन ही ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा, डे बाय डे लो होता जा रहा है, देन रेट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट विल ऑल्सो बी fallen. So there is low level of employment, that means high level of poverty. Next reason of the poverty is lack of able and efficient entrepreneurs. As we know, GDP growth needs efficient and skilled entrepreneurs. किसी भी इकॉनमी को अपनी GDP राइज करने के लिए there is a need of efficient and skilled entrepreneurs. As we know, in India, both are at very low level. So we can write here that in India there is lack of entrepreneurial skill. कोई भी person कोई भी काम जो है वो establish कर लेता है, whether he has an experience of that work or not. So production capacity is low, that means rise in poverty. Now the next reason of poverty is lack of infrastructure. As we know, the components of economic infrastructure are energy, transport, clear, energy, transport, or we can say communication. All these are the main components of the economic infrastructure, and similarly education, health and housing services etc. are the components of the social infrastructure. Clear? And both are not so good in India, which results poverty. Now the next reason, or we can say last but not least important, that is outdated social institution. In our country, the social structure is full of outdated traditions and institutions, as caste system and joint family system, that hampered the growth rate and raised poverty. जो growth rate को hampered कर रहा है, which creates obstacle for the growth rate, this traditional system और outdated जो भी हमारे systems हैं, caste system, joint family system, all these are the obstacles in the growth rate and it raise poverty. So in this way, all these are responsible for the poverty in the country. Goodbye, have a nice day.